Hi friends, let me show you my new wood shelves. These are, well, you can put them in the restroom, in a bathroom. Those are the main uses for them, but I mean, you could put them anywhere. They go in like this, in a pair. Well, you could put them as you like, as your decoration tells you. And this wired shelf will be in the bottom of one of them. So I am planning on putting them here. Come on, let me show you. I am going to put them here. As you can see, I already marked the wall. So in this restroom where my visitors come, I will be able to put some plants or toilet paper or something nice to give the restroom a nicer ambience. Let's install them. Perfect. You can see how pretty this looks in our restroom. These shelves help us to give it a nicer touch. You can put anything you need or you want to show in them. Thank you.